Inheritance in C++ Part 2. C++ single inheritance. Single inheritance is defined as the inheritance in which a derived class is inherited from the only one base class. Here the base class is A and the derived class is B. When one class inherits another class, it is known as single level inheritance. We'll see an example. We have created a class named account. In that we gave the public access specifier. In that we gave the data member float salary equal to 60,000. We created another class named programmer and we kept a colon and we wrote public account. In that we gave the access specifier as public and we wrote float bonus equal to 5,000. In the main function, we have created an object of class programmer, that is P1. From the object of class programmer, we are going to access the member of another class, that is salary, and the member of the same class, that is bonus. We get the output salary 60,000, bonus 5,000. In the above example, here the employee is the base class and the programmer is the derived class, because the programmer is using the member of account, that is parent class. We will see another example in which it inherits only methods. We have created a class named animal. In that we gave the public access specifier. Under the public access specifier, we wrote a method named eat off. In that we are printing eating. After that we created another class named dog colon public animal. In that we wrote the public access specifier and in that we wrote a method named bark off. In that we are printing barking. In the main function, we created a object of dog class and from that class we are accessing the method of animal class, that is eat of, and within the same class we have another method bark of, that also we are accessing d1 dot eat of and d1 dot bark of. We are calling both the methods. The output will be eating and barking. What are visibility modes? These are the access specifiers. Three types: public, private, and protected. We'll see the visibility of inherited members. The base class visibility is private. The derived class visibility is public, means it will not be inherited. If it is private, means it will not be inherited. If it is protected, it will not be inherited. In all the three visibility modes, it will not be inherited if the base class visibility is private. If it is protected, base class visibility is protected. Derived class visibility you check here. If it is public, then it will be protected. If it is private, then it will be private. If it is protected, then it will be protected. If the base class visibility is public, then derived class visibility, if it is public, means here also it will be public. If it is private, here it will be private. If it is protected, here it will be protected. Okay. We will see C++ multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance is a process of deriving a class from another derived class. See, first A is the base class, B is the derived class with respect to A. We are inheriting from B to C. For C, B is the parent class and C is the derived class. But B is the derived class actually. So, multi-level inheritance is a process of deriving a class from another derived class. Okay. When one class inherits another class, which is further inherited by another class, it is known as multi-level inheritance in C++. Inheritance is transitive, so the last derived class acquires all the members of its base classes. Next one, multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance is the process of deriving a new class that inherits the attributes from two or more classes. Means some attributes from the class B1, some attributes from class B2, and so on. Some attributes from class Bn. We are getting one derived class. This is the multiple inheritance. What is hybrid inheritance? Hybrid inheritance is a combination of more than one type of inheritance. From A, we are inheriting to B and C. From B and C, you are inheriting to D. It is a mix of multiple inheritance. It is a mix of multi-level inheritance. It is a mix of multiple inheritance. So it is hybrid inheritance. Next, hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance is defined as the process of deriving more than one class from a base class. There will be only one base class and we have many derived classes. This is the hierarchical inheritance. Thank you.